Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 春雨ときゅうりのツナサラダ. It's glass noodles, cucumber, and tuna salad. All the ingredients are easy to access, very easy to make, and most importantly, delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 春雨ときゅうりのツナサラダ. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cucumbers, canned tuna. These are in oil, not in brine, and it's 80 grams per can, and I'm using 2. 50 grams of glass noodles, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1½ tablespoons of ponzu sauce, and, if you like, ryu chili oil. Let's cut the cucumbers first. Cut both ends off. Make it into very thin diagonal slices. Align them. Then into thin strips. Let's put in a bowl. Same for the other cucumber. By cutting it into thin strips, it can blend well with thin glass noodles. Sprinkle some salt, just random amount. Give it a toss. And let it sit for 3 minutes. Now, let's cook the glass noodles by following the instruction on the package. This is instant glass noodles, and it says I just need to cook it for 2 minutes in boiling water, so let's do that. Cook for 2 minutes. Okay, let's drain and rinse under running water to cool down. Squeeze it. It's a bit too long to eat, so let's cut it so that it's easier to eat. Let's put it in a large bowl. Strips of cucumbers also into the large bowl as you squeeze it really well. So take some and squeeze. into the bowl of glass noodles. A lot of water came out from the cucumber. Then canned tuna. Let's drain the oil. Tuna in Japan is flaky already. But if your tuna is chunky, just flake it. Let's put it in the bowl. Mayonnaise. Ponzu sauce and chili oil. Give it a good mix. Little bit of salt and pepper to your taste if you need. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And 春雨ときゅうりのツナサラダ is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's very refreshing, but so rich at the same time thanks for the tuna and the mayonnaise. You can whip it up in 5 minutes or so, so I really want you to try this. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 春雨ときゅうりのツナサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but I think I want to have plain rice here, enoki miso soup here, and spicy chicken wing for the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.